Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1957 Chevy Nomad. Now, this car has had a beautiful frame-off restoration, and if you have any questions on it, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Nomad. Then we'll get it on the lift so you can take a look at the bottom and out on the highway. As you look across the front, you'll notice that all the chrome and stainless appears to be replaced on this car whenever the restoration was done, and it is an absolutely beautiful complement to this color scheme. As we come on around the driver's side, it'll give you your first opportunity to take a close look at the body on this Nomad. As you can see, your gaps here at the doors are even and symmetrical, but even more so, you can see how straight this body is from the front to the rear. Now, it is done in Imperial Ivory and the Dust Pearl combination that you see, and that is the factory option. But before we get around the outside, let's come on up and take a look on the inside first. As you can see on the inside, it's got the black and silver combination, and that is the factory option as well. They've done an excellent job when they've done the restoration on the dash, as the paint here is slick as a ribbon. As we come on around, it'll give you the opportunity to take a close look at the door panels and the seat covers. You can tell that they are in phenomenal condition along with the headliner, and all the interior stainless in this car is absolutely stunning. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue on around the outside, get the opportunity to look at how excellent that door shuts and fits. Now, as we come across the back, you'll take another close look at all the chrome and stainless this 57 has to offer. It's one of the things that made these one of the most iconic classic cars ever built. But the Nomad, well, of course, it took it to another level and made it something extra special. Now, as we come around the passenger side, I'll take a step back. That way you can get a good appreciation for just how beautiful this car truly is. It's an absolute head turner, and as you can see, the base coat clear coat has been buffed and polished to an absolutely beautiful shine. Now, for compliments, there's nothing better than the stock style 14-inch wheels with the wide white tires. Now, as impressive as the outside and the inside of this car is, you're really going to love it whenever I get under the hood. So come on up and we'll take a close look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. As you can see under here, everything has an absolutely beautiful detail. It looks just like it would have on the showroom floor in 1957, and it does feature the 283 engine with the correct 57 intake and carburetor. And as you can see here, it does have the factory power steering. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Nomad, I'm going to get around there and we'll take a close look at this frame-off restoration. Remember, if you've got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get it around there on the lift, so that way we can get it down on the highway for you too. As you can see, this Nomad is gorgeous both top and bottom. It's easy to see why this is one of the highest quality Nomads on the market. This frame-off restoration is one of the best I've ever seen, and the closer I look at it, the more impressed I am. As we look under the front, you'll notice that they went the extra distance to make sure it had the crossover exhaust pipe with the correct heat shield. This 57 comes with a 3-speed manual trans, but it also has the factory overdrive option, which you don't see very often. Now, as expected, all the brake lines were changed along with the gas tank and the fuel lines. But before we get this Chevy down on the highway, I want to make sure we take a close look at the floors, braces, and the frame. Everything is rock solid, and the detail into the bottom of this car is absolutely amazing.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.